Episode 2. In these series, I'm going to teach you the art of something specific that a lot of wavers can't quite learn how to do or master. So I hope you liked episode 1, Art of the Lay. And if you have not watched that, please go and watch that, link in the description below. Today's video, Art of the Comb. A little bit better detail and do a little bit more of a demo, art of combing. I brought my 3 favorite combs in here. My tool structure, teaser comb, tool structure comb, okay, different levels, wider teeth. My wood beard comb. No, I do not have a beard, but I like this wood comb joint because it has small bristles, wide bristles. We're gonna get down to full demos of each comb and when to comb, how to comb, what, you know, all of that. Waves looking good, y'all. I'm pre-laid today. Nice, healthy, dark and laid today, man. Nice and laid. Nice and laid. A lot of elites tell other people, just comb. But they don't tell you when, how, for what. Some people say, how can I get rid of forks? Some people just tell you, oh, just comb. They don't say how, when, and you know what I'm saying, why. So that's why I'm here today. If you're looking to better your connections, I first suggest to comb before each session, okay? This one is an anti-frizz comb. So I'm gonna use this one. A comb before a session. It's just simply to lift up the hair off of my scalp. And when you comb, you wanna comb from your crown out. So combing before you brush is lifting the hair, stretching the curl, and getting it prepared for the brush session. AJK. So this is the first strategy in the art of combing. Just lifting the hair. Just lifting the hair is preparing you for a brush session. This step doesn't have to take long extended time. You're just lifting the hair, and once you see that it's lifted and you feel like it's time to brush, then you jump into your brush session. The second tip in art of combing. Some days you can go without brushing, period. Some days you can just comb your hair and lay it. It's called a comb and lay. You're gonna comb your hair for brush session duration. Meaning, if you brush your hair 30, 40 minutes, hour, instead of brushing your hair, you comb your hair for 30, 40 minutes to an hour. Benefits of that is you're basically working your angles that you brush, looking for forks. You want to disturb your forks. On days that you don't brush and you just comb and lay, you're looking for different directions that you can send a fork. Learning your angles, learning your hair, training your connection. Combing and laying is the best strategy for getting rid of forks because most of us embed our own forks. Keeping our hair duragged all the time, not scrambling, washing our pattern to loosen up those forks. Because forks, they can get deep down into your scalp. So on comb and lay days, you just searching for forks, lifting those boys up, playing around with the hair to see if you can send it a different way that's gonna give you a better look. 30, 40 minutes or an hour, whichever one is your preference, you're gonna do nothing but rag it up. Leave your pattern lifted until the next time you feel like combing. See, some days I go all day without brushing. Comb and lay all day. For those who's asking, do I need products? Aren't you 3? Should I use products? Sure. Comb and lays are the best times to use oils. Comb the oils through. Whichever type of oil that you choose that day, comb it in. 20, 30, 40 minutes, your choice. My third tip, when you should comb. You should comb whenever you have a kinky spot. I don't have any. If you had a kinky spot, like an over curled spot, if your hair is matted, or if you didn't do a wash and style that good and your hair is not laid real good, comb. If your connections are not satisfactory to you, you would comb. Now remember the first step, comb before every session. Some advanced elite will comb for 30, 40 minutes and then brush for 30, 40 minutes. Me, some days, I also like to comb 30, 40 minutes, brush 30, 40 minutes, comb again, 5 or 10 minutes, brush 34 more minutes. Another tip, these teaser combs, so 3 layers you might as well say. Fine teeth on the inside, and you got the wide teeth on the outside. These combs are like razors, okay? These little teeth will you up, okay? This is a precision comb, and when I'm really working on my connections, I like to use a precision comb. I'm gonna do a tutorial with this comb. First, I'm gonna show you how to comb. This is a no-no. Combing like this. You basically raking the leaves. You wanna put it just like you would a barber would do his clippers, at an angle, flat, and follow through. But to be very precise with how you angle in this comb, okay? This comb goes through every layer, adds really nice detail to the connections. And this is the type of comb that I would suggest using. It's really getting down to the layers. You just pay attention to the details of your hair. Need as much comb work as you can get when you're trying to be elite. This is not a beginner comb, so be careful. But if you master how to use it and take your time, you want to follow through, curl, stretch, then you move on to a brush session. This tool structure is a basic comb, but it has levels to it. And with this one, I like to use it when I'm wolfing. I like to use it when I'm just combing to lift. AJK. It's good with thick hair. Wait at least 2 weeks off of a fresh cut to really get the benefit of this comb, depending on how your hair grows. The better you comb your hair, the easier it will be to lay your hair down. See that? That's pretty much it to the art of the comb. If you got questions, ask questions below. If you're sleeping and haven't subscribed yet and you're watching this video, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell after you subscribe. And I want to thank everybody for watching. It's your girl RG3. I'm live from the 313.